In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show formulas in Google Sheets. If you've ever looked at a sheet and wondered exactly how a number was calculated, this feature reveals the math behind the scenes so you can audit, learn, and troubleshoot with confidence. First, make sure your spreadsheet is open and you can see the top menu bar. You're going to use the View menu to control what's displayed on your sheet. Move your cursor to the top and click View. A drop-down will appear. Hover your mouse over the option labeled Show. This opens a small sub-menu with several display choices. Click on Formulas. The moment you do, every cell that contains a formula will switch from showing a result to showing the actual formula text, starting with the equal sign. Instead of a final number like 125, you'll see something like SUM B2 B6. Which makes it crystal clear how that value is being calculated. This view applies to the entire sheet, not just a selection, which is helpful when you're auditing a complex model. It's normal for formulas to look longer than the numbers they replace, so don't worry if your grid suddenly looks busier or if the formula strings stretch across the cells. You're not changing your data, you're simply changing what's visible. There's also a quick shortcut to toggle formulas on and off. Press Ctrl plus the backtick key. That's the small accent character located right below the ESC key on most keyboards. Press it once to show formulas, and press it again to return to the regular results view. This is especially handy when you're moving back and forth between inspecting the logic and checking the final numbers. While formulas are visible, you can click into any cell to read the full expression and better understand how it references other cells. This is great for tracing errors or learning how a particular function works. When you're done reviewing, simply go back to the View menu, hover over Show, and select Formulas again to turn the display off, or use the same Ctrl plus backtick shortcut to restore the normal view. That's all there is to it. By toggling the Formulas view through the View menu and the Show submenu, or by using the quick keyboard shortcut, you can instantly reveal or hide the math powering your spreadsheet. It's a simple habit that makes analysis clearer, reviews faster, and collaboration more transparent.